Going to be putting a drive belt, felt, and tabs on this GE dryer. The model number. Come along, learn how it's done with me. Okay, when you're getting started, the lid is attached by these two screws inside of the door. So take those out, and the front will lift up. So to get the front cover off, there's screws right inside here that hold the door, the front panel to the side panels, and we're just going to remove those. If you drop them, it's okay. This whole panel comes off. All right. Now you slide this forward, and you take these plugs loose. That's your door switch. Once those are loose, your whole door is free. And you take it to somewhere flat so you can work on it. Now to get the tensioner loose, hand that inside the dryer. Please make sure you've unplugged it. Put these fingers on the right wheel, pull it towards the right. Now your tension is on. So here are the parts that come with the dryer belt kit. You get new felt, and you get these tabs, and you get this new piece here. This piece is right here at the top, and you can see there's the plastic, and this one here is worn out. That one's completely gone, and that one's worn down, and you can see this mark, and that's probably why it's been squealing. So we're going to swap these out. You want to compare it to the old parts. You can see that the white one is here, the gray ones are here. So let's just repeat what you see. There's a hole here that when you stick it through, the tab grabs a hold of it, holds it in place. Same thing with the gray ones. Okay, now those are in. Now these holes have tabs in it to hold this in place. So we're going to go in here and we're going to break the tabs on the old one since we're not using it anymore. And then when you look at where this attaches, you can see it's got a step there. So you put your tool in here, you pry up, these pop out of the front, and then it comes loose. So we'll install the new part. Okay, new part is in. Now the next is the felt. The felt's at the bottom here, and that's where the drum rides as it spins. Pull that one out. Let's put this one in. I set it in there like I did so you can see about where it needs to go, because this is going to have to be trimmed. Push it in and get it flat with it up under the lip. Right now we'll just trim off this excess. Okay. Now it's time to reinstall the drum, and then we'll put the belt on. Get the old belt and just make sure they're the same length. Yep. Same length. So what you want to do is put the belt on the drum before you put it back in the dryer. Also make sure the washer does not fall off the back, or it will squeak like crazy. Put it over the motor. Pull back the tensioner. There it is. New belt's on. Just make sure it's the motor's pulley, where I'm glad I checked because it slid over. There we go. And that saved tearing it apart in 10 minutes when it didn't work. See how it goes together. The wires for the door switch. Okay, then the elbow one goes here. Straight one goes there. Right now, if you look down here at the bottom, foot, you can see there's a tab. There's a tab there. We're going to set the dryer's front cover on that tab. Okay, now this part, you gotta open your dryer door, because you can see your drum is sitting lower than the holder. You get your sides lined up and you push, and it pops in place. Now before I put the top cover on, I'm going to plug it in and see if it spins. There it is, not squeaking anymore. Now all we got to do is put the top on and we'll be done. We're going to go back inside, and they are what holds the front cover to the sides. Okay, now we're gonna just remove them in. Okay, now I'm going to put the top back on the dryer. So the top has these 3 tabs that match 3 holes in the lid. So you want to line them up. This is going to pop down. Okay, top is snapped down. Now we're going to put the screws in. Okay, these screws are inside here. And that's what holds the lid down. All right, now it's back together. Let's test it. Nice and quiet, no squeaks.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
And the door switch works right. Okay.
Job well done.
So I hope this has helped you get your dryer going. Most of them are exactly alike. Don't be afraid to take it apart. It's just bolts, it's just screws. It'll go back together. And remember, if a wrench doesn't work, use a hammer.